welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to this week's video. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today should be a fun one. We are gonna be doing our first ever daily driven meetup and cruise. We're gonna be cruising to an outlook point on Blood Mountain, which is in northern Georgia. We got the car backed out here. It's fairly clean, pretty clean. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably have seen that I've been posting about this for a few weeks. I hope to meet some of you guys there. I honestly don't know how many people are gonna show up, if any. Well, I know a couple of the close friends are gonna show up here, so at least we'll have that group, but I'm hoping to meet some of you guys. So we're gonna hop in the car here, cruise over to the meeting point, which is a gas station in Gainesville, Georgia, and then it's gonna be about an hour cruise to the outlook point. We'll get to drive some cool roads and hopefully get some cool footage for you guys on the channel. So let's get in the car. Megan's almost ready and we'll go see who we can meet up with. Let's do it. All right, guys. Megan, are you ready?
Ready.
I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. And we're off, guys. Let's see if I can find some parking.
Perfect little end spot.
Look at this. Right in the end unit. Ding. Done. All right. Now, folks, we wait for people to show up. Including the 3 people I know who's coming. 4 people. Maybe 5. Hopefully more. We'll see. I think I see some folks rolling in right over there. Let's go say hi. Oh, we got another S650. Good morning. Woo! Sounds pretty good. Ooh, I don't know if the C8's joining us today. Maybe not. We got Rance and Ashley here. They're joining us too. Got to get some gas. They look good. Cars look good. You guys look good too. Good morning, guys. What's up? Hello. Ooh, everything looks shiny. Did it? That's how mine was, like 3 days ago. Hey, that's all right. Mine's dusty too from being in the garage. Cool. We got 2 GTs rolling today. One with a little extra sauce under the hood. This one, if you know, you know. And then we got another S650 over there. Pretty cool. What's up, man? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, nice to meet you, man. Whoop, what are we doing? There we go. You got the M car over there, huh?
That's right.
Dude, let's go look at that real quick. Let's see it. Wow. That's gonna be fun, I'm sure, in some of the turns.
First German car I ever bought.
Is it? Yeah. Sorry, that's my wife, Megan. You saw it. Hey, we all introduced ourselves. That's it. That's really cool. When did you get this thing?
I ordered it in May of last year.
Okay.
In September.
September. Very cool. How are you liking it so far? Yeah? Sweet. Oh, God, I bet. I'm kind of parked over there if you want to come move over there. Yeah. We'll go meet up with everyone else here. So, sweet. Thanks for coming here. Look at that, guys. We got them all lined up here so far with who's going. A lot of Mustangs, as you saw there, an M440i. That thing is crazy. And yeah, 2 S650s. That's pretty nice. This one looks really good as well, but we'll see more. More of the RTR vent on that one. Decals there. I do like the decals, man. I gotta ask him where he got that. Looks good. How's it going, man? Nice to see you, sir.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah, this is Megan here, Kevin. Dude, it looks good, by the way. I really like it. I was just saying to the camera here, where'd you get the decals on the hood?
So on some of the S650 pages around, Anchor Room was looking out for people, because their factory car was a black.
Sure.
So black on black didn't really showcase. So they're like, hey, anybody willing, have any other different color 650s?
Yeah.
So,
and that's where they came from, was Anchor Room?
Yep. So
nice.
Like, hey, can you guys custom prints or something? They're like, yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I know. I haven't seen that yet, like as an offering, so that's super cool. Nice. Well, it's cool. We got another S650. Rance, how you doing?
What's up?
Oh, what's up? We are ready. All right, a few more minutes has gone by and we got a ton more people who showed up. Chris, you made it. Nice. No E85 here, huh? Sorry. Did you get some before you?
Yeah, I have like 170 miles-ish to eat.
Yikes.
I think it'll be fun.
It'll be all right. It'll be all right. But yeah, we got quite a good group actually showed up here. So we got this lineup here, S650, S650, 550, 550, and BMW M440i. Then we have 2 Mach 1s, another GT and another GT. So, gonna be cool. A lot of Mustangs, a couple other cars. Gonna be fun. We're gonna be heading out here in just a couple minutes, about an hour ride over there. And then we'll get to that viewpoint there. It should be cool. You guys ready to go?
Yeah, I got my apple.
You got your apples? Nice, all right. You guys ready to go? Still ready? All right. We'll probably roll out here then in just a minute or two. All right, let's do it. You got everyone's number?
I think so.
Okay, cool. Nice, thanks for doing that.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's so hot.
Melting.
Oh, it's so hot. Air conditioning. It feels
hot as shit.
Dude, it is hot as shit. Oh, whose is that? You gotta get that camera action.
I know, sorry, Jesus.
All right, guys, I guess. Sounds good. Jesus Christ. All right, 1 minute in.
He's back.
So someone took a different route that we don't know.
He came back.
Can't go. Kept going that way. And I'm like, I don't
My
know.
GPS said,
Right?
that
We
way
took a
we're-
left and I was supposed to keep going straight.
and then I was like, well, it's better to stick together.
I know, that's what I said.
Into the grass, we'll all just have to
I
one
see.
by one.
Just back up.
I'll
go
take
out.
us back. I'll take lead, but we're gonna go back that way.
Okay, we're gonna do a quick little detour and then we'll be back on the road. Sorry guys, I didn't, 3 taps, lucky taps, getting it. That's it. All right, keep it clean. Ooh, yeah, we ran over some dog shit or something. I thought it was me. It's not.
I think something died over here.
Might have been someone died. Oh, it smells like shit and death. Well, we're gonna do a little reverse action. We get to make use of the backup camera, which is great. Nice and large on these cars. Oh, yeah, something died for sure. Jesus Christ. All right, we are back on the road. A little detour, but nothing we can't handle. Nothing we can't handle. No, that was crazy. And that's just a simple GPS mix-up here. What are we doing here? I think we're all back together.
I'll get us there.
All right, man. Sounds good. Awesome. Just letting everybody go. Which is great. All right, we're trying to get everybody back in the group here because, yeah, we're holding up a lot of traffic back there. Let me show you. But, oh, this truck is pissed. Oh, look at that boy. Oh, and Alex is on it. Yeah. So, we're trying to get everybody, you know, in line. It's tough to do with about 10 cars. And so, we had to kind of make a little room here and slow traffic up. That guy was pissed. Getting a little tight here, guys. We are finally over to some of the mountain roads. Finally.
Here we go.
All right, here we go, boys. Oh, Rand. Pretty sure that's Rand. guys, the overlook. Sick. We made it. Made it to the overlook, and we got a little bit of a run in. Rance, how did the video turn out?
I'm sure it's epic.
That's awesome. Wow. Yeah, we got some cool roads there for a bit.
Oh yeah.
This is super nice though.
Honestly, the view used to be way better.
Was it?
This was not overgrown.
This wasn't here?
You could see clear out.
Oh, yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna go. Let's look at this other view. Oh, that was cool, man. Yeah.
So,
It's
like,
starting to cook.
That's
That's
kind
how
of
it
just like a
feels?
start.
Yeah.
But so if we hit that right side, I mean it's
like,
it's
That's
tight.
cool.
It's good stuff.
All right.
It's touch your front lip on the ground.
Oh my God. Nice.
But I'm saying it's
Yeah.
it's
That's crazy. All right. Yeah, that's fun, man. This view is crazy. How's it running? Everything good? She's hot, I'm sure.
No.
Too hot? Oh no. Yeah, hopefully it can, even though it's super hot out here, hopefully it can cool down a little bit before we start taking her easy and cruising. How was it?
It was good. It was fun.
Yeah. I didn't bring any. We should have. I'm just kidding. How was the ride?
Fabulous.
Fabulous. Look at that view, guys. Crazy. I gotta get my phone to get a little bit better pictures here. Insane. We're playing a game. Who can find the oil filter on the M440i?
I am just gonna assume it is in the very far back of this thing, right?
You'd be warm with that idea. Yeah, you'd be close.
Do I need to?
You wanna know?
Do I have to look under? No.
It's right there.
Oh, look on the wrong side. I knew it.
Isn't that crazy?
Tucked
It's
all
way
the
under there.
back, too.
It's like, yeah, I couldn't even see it until I got around the other corner there, and it's like,
All these high voltage wires and everything.
you weed through the high voltage nest, yeah.
The hybrid system sits right there
Wow.
next to that. So that's why all these purple wires are.
That is too complicated for me. I don't know, man. That's crazy. They were saying the Ford, you could drop the motor out of it and throw it back in, and Ford's like, well, I don't even care, man. Whatever, you can do whatever you want. We just kind of did a little bit of, I got a meet and greet here, a little meet, took some pictures. That was super cool. Got to see some other cars here. We got another BMW over there, and then this RS5 that pulled up. Super cool car. And some great guys we got to meet. So now we are about to pull out of here. We got some other kind of tourist people pulling in, but you cannot beat the view up here, guys. It's absolutely crazy. So can't wait to do another one of these cruises. We are gonna take a little bit more of an aggressive route now going forward. So stay tuned for more fun. Ooh, hang on. Whoa. Ooh, that got my head moving. BMW in my spot. Pulling off. He's a nice guy. Thank you, sir. Oh, did you hear the tires? That's all she wrote. I'm glad we were able to get a good group together to do this. So yeah, I appreciate everyone coming. Well, I think that's gonna be a wrap, guys. That was super cool. We're gonna go get something to eat. Thank you for making the drive with us. Thank you.
Gear shift.
Gear shift. Gear shift. Thank you, wifey. Gear shift. Thank you, sir.
Absolutely.
Dink. Thank you. Thank you. Dink. Thank you for making the cruise with us. First time. Thank you. Taking along, man. Thank you too, man. It was cool. That BMW rips. Well, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. We are gonna go get some lunch, and yeah, thanks to everyone who tagged along and was a part of the group. It was super cool. We're just wrapping it up here now, and I think everyone had a good time, so that's all I wanted. So anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.